Governor Sanwo Olu don't come out. I bet my people, when last una hear from this man? I even shocked self when I hear him matter. When they just come and say, Madam Aproko, you never hear the latest. Say this man just dash person 3-bedroom flat. I say, hey. Now I say I must bring a call for my people. My people for now we know they are aware because una don't to sleep on top bicycle. I don't bring una matter. Governor of Lagos State, soon to be retired in Jesus' name. He don't come out now. Gift actress Iya Awero 3-bedroom flat. Not be all those bedroom flat where if they look at you they confused. This one, if you they see the 3-bedroom, you they see your future. Like you they see, and this one they for the newly commissioned Lagos State Housing Estate for Igbobo. No, just imagine the amount. See, I don't even need to tell you the amount. Only the name of the place. I bet put the picture, maybe they see the location and the they see. I bring a call on aside because I know so many of una too they doubt. If I talk now, una no go believe. So I bet join me, make we watch the video.
We've looked around and we said that there are people that have also served this nation, that have also worked and contributed. And so I've gone and I've searched in this neighborhood and I've found a Nollywood star, a woman that all of us know very well, but she's challenged on the housing front right now. We're aware that she's almost been sent out of where she's living now. And so I have the honor to invite Mrs. Larry Azan Adeshino, alias Iya Awero, to come forward and receive the 3-bedroom flats. We don't need to celebrate them when they die. We can celebrate them when they are still alive.
Congratulations, actress Iya Awero, because congratulations. It's a good thing to help people because I seen talk and they say the woman they don't almost remove her for the house where she did. I bet madam, no be me and you get talk today like this as you see me. Congratulations. In fact, now the highest thing I give you. My problem, as you see me like this, my problem now with Sanwo Olu. So I bet bring her outside. It gets the way this man make. Also, no, you don't celebrate people when they are dead. You celebrate them when they are alive. So now why I bring her outside, you understand? Me and I we need rapport. Bros. So, as you thought say, you know they celebrate people when they die, now when they are alive. My question for you, first of all, be say, all the homeless, poor people when they are alive now, you don't help them. No, I know they like, see, no make a vex. I know they like this thing. The poor people, when they are alive, you understand? So you don't celebrate them by giving them house, by giving them food, by giving them money, you don't celebrate them. But you they come outside, say, no get me wrong, go I beg, I no get any issue with this actress, so I don't give her a congratulations. My problem with this one. Why we say you they do things so that people go say, this man a good man, oh, this man. This one now way you can't do. Hi, Chineke. I beg, before I dispatch you, before I send you away, because waiting happen for Lekki Toll Gate. I say I go ask you because I don't define you since and your number no they go through. That Lekki Toll Gate, they say now you give order. No worry, I go come back to you. I better remove her from my side, make her know what they do. My people, last, as they see this thing, you got to be somebody in order for people to recognize you in this life. Now know what they talking. See this woman now, 3-bedroom flat. Why? She be actress. Who you be? No, nah. Because if now based on waiting talk, meaning say all the poor people where they street, they suppose don't help them by now. But they don't get certificates. They never appear for TV. So why they go give them? I no go talk past that one. Mr. Sanwo Olu, if you like, build. Wait till I even feel use. If you like, dash person the whole world. It no go change wetin you don't do already because now I dey perceive something. Make una relax. Una no see me. I dey always give una as they be me. And if you like, give them the whole world. Divide Nigeria into 2. Share them. Do anything. See, anything wey you want do. The fact say you dey wicked, you no go change. because now you go give order for that Lekki toll gate. Me, I no fit forget am o. Hey, if you know how, don't dey wait for this your matter. You give order, make they shoot. Later you can't deny am, say no, this one. Then we can't hear am again from una fellow people, una uniform person. You can't confess, say na true. But now you dey come outside. Ha! Good Samaritan, man of the year, the goodest, the that one. You dey come outside, they dash person 3-bedroom flat. You go see answer also for that Lekki matter. You go answer us. See how you come outside now. You dey speak English. No, no hear in grammar. Very obvious. Say this one don't go read dictionary finish. And it is very bad. We have to help people. We have you now. You come outside, they speak English. No, make una think calm. Okay, you where they watch me now. Waiting happen. Say the governor never call you. Say I heard that you are broke. Come and take money. Think calm. You need to be somebody before these people will recognize you. I know this one way they do. They see na strategy. They know what they do. And this one now, they should say they do and just because you want calm down the Lekki toll gate matter. These people, they sabi buy people. They sabi buy people. Now why if you know they careful for this generation where we dey, they go buy you, sell you, still collect change. If you know they careful. You don't bring this one now. When people hear am, they go say, what a good governor. We go forget Lekki toll gate matter. People wey die innocently now. My brother call it work. He no go work, no even try. I don't talk am before this thing, you no go work. Abeg, Madam Iya, congratulations once again. You understand? But Sanwo Olu, I leave you with this question. Who gave the order for Lekki toll gate shooting? My people, now the matter be this. 3-bedroom flat has gone. Abeg, anything where you got talk. If you also need a bedroom flat, drop out for that place. You understand? Very important. He must give. In fact, he must reach everybody. He must reach us. And make sure say you share this video so that everybody will know what they share now. Lagos State Governor. Very important. And if you never subscribe, what you they use your data for? Ha! No, what you they use am for? Just click on that thing so that you go dey notified anytime we bring correct matter. Stay tuned for our next story.